Welcome to the first episode of Cops, Court, and Coffee, the video series. Hi, I'm Darnell Eason. I am the founder and host of Cops, Court, and Coffee. Now, many of the Cops, Court, and Coffee followers are familiar with who I am and with the Cops, Court, and Coffee podcast and blog. For those of you who are not familiar, I'll have to start by telling you that I've been involved with the law enforcement community since April of 1996, and I am currently an active law enforcement officer with an agency here in New York State. So, the idea of Cops, Court, and Coffee was actually born out of necessity. Now, why I say that is because many of the individuals that I have either initiated a vehicle stop and issued a traffic summons to, or I ended up arresting them for one reason or another, all seem to have one thing in common. And that is, they all seem to say, "Officer, I didn't know," or "Officer, I was just unaware." So, what I decided to do was to try and educate the people, not on the side of the road, but instead beforehand. And I wanted to do it in a way that was easy for them to understand and to break things down in the simplest of terms so that the average person could understand. You see, any law enforcement officer out there understands the laws that they are sworn to uphold. But I'm finding, and I'm sure many other law enforcement officers out there will have to agree, that the average layperson or the average citizen may be aware of the law, but they do not fully understand it, or they simply just don't care to understand it because they think it's too complicated. But I believe in my heart that most of them want to comply with the law. So, this is going to be the show where we try to make it safer out there for everyone. Okay? Just like with the podcast, we will be conducting in-depth interviews to bring you some great information. Okay? We will also be doing product reviews that were designed to keep you safe. And I'm talking about like maybe an application or something of that nature. All right? I'm also looking forward to bringing you guys our Rookie Award. That was very good for our podcast. And that's where we highlight someone who did something so dumb that they ended up getting caught. Like someone who failed to signal a lane change and ended up getting stopped by the police. And the officer, in turn, found guns and drugs in the vehicle. Now that's a rookie mistake. We will also be delivering lots of information for you. And with that, I have to tell you that it's going to be you guys who drive this show. Now, what that means is, as we continue to put more and more videos out, it is you who will be guiding us. All you need to do is comment below and tell us what it is that you want us to cover. Whether it be a vehicle and traffic law, how you can protect your identity, or how you, at home, can do a background check just about on anyone. Hey, even if you just want to ask us a question, comment below and we're going to answer that question in a future question and answer show. Listen, this is going to be a lot of fun for everyone. And trust me, I'm excited that you all want to be a part of this. So do me a favor, hit the subscribe button for me, all right? So that we together can start building something great. You can like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter. And listen, we also have an Instagram page. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. And remember, Cops, Court, and Coffee, no one else cares like we do.